Hello everyone and welcome back to this new video. Today I'm sharing some of my most favorite gluten-free recipes. The first recipe is a blueberry muffin and I am using oats and almond flour for this muffin base. If you do not have blueberries, that's absolutely okay. You can replace it with any dry fruits or nuts of your choice.
Got me deep in the haze. There's no more compassion, no. Raise me. I need something fast. I need something to last. Satisfaction, no. Help me, grab his right arm. Help me, I'll take the left. Oh, help me, interrogate him. How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Oh, can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave. How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience?
They came out so soft and delicious and they were super moist inside. Absolutely a melt in the mouth. This is a perfect make-ahead breakfast recipe for weekends. You can fill this up for your kids' lunchbox as well.
Tell me, there's no more compassion, no. Confine me under these layers, among these taxpayers. There's no satisfaction, no. I said, help me, help myself, forgive me.
If you like to add a little bit of greens to your daily meals, then this recipe is just for you. These chickpea bread, or commonly known as falafel breads, are so easy to make and at the same time hides all the greens which our picky eaters do not want to eat. Here I'm adding spinach and coriander and a little bit of broccoli, but you can add any greens of your choice.
Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave. Hold on, he will break you and me. We will go there. Have no fear, my dear.
These breads, once baked, they taste so delicious on its own, but the best part is that you can pop them in the toaster and they turn crisp and absolutely like a fancy bread.
Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave. How big is your love?
My next recipe are these energy balls, which does not use any sugar or oil or honey or jaggery of any sorts. I have added flax meal, almond flour, oats, and couple of spices of choice like cinnamon, cardamom, clove, and a little bit of allspice. I've mixed everything together and added banana puree, and make sure your banana has a little bit of brown spots. I know you might be like, no, but that is what makes the banana really sweet. I've pureed it. Along with this, I'm adding dates, and this is dry blending the dates and not wet blending the dates. If that's not possible with your mixer, then soak the dates in banana puree for some time and then blend it. Do not add any form of water. To this, add any form of nut butter. I have made peanut butter at home, and that is what I'm adding here.
You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
The details of all the recipes are mentioned in the description for you. So just go ahead and make these. They freeze beautifully in the freezer and last up to 1 month in the freezer if kept in an airtight Ziploc bags. Since we turned gluten-free for a couple of years now, millets have been our family favorite, and jwar or sorghum, as you say, has been one of our staple food. Today I'm sharing how I make a sorghum halwa with you. It is sweet, decadent, delicious, perfect for a winter morning or a rainy day. I'm so eager for upcoming rainy season. It is so comforting to the soul.
First time, you know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions. Get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow. Work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt. 'Cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions. Get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will
You can dry this out as per your liking, but be mindful that sorghum keeps on absorbing water even once you have turned off the gas.
maybe we could test this and work
This last recipe is another family favorite. Makhana or foxnut is one of the snacks that we always have on hand. Today I'm sharing this makhana kheer or pudding recipe. It's very simple, just you have to thicken the milk till it turns slightly amber color. And to this we'll add the roasted grounded makhana. These are dry roasted makhana, not in ghee. And to this, once it thickens, we will add a tablespoon or two of jaggery. For fragrance, I'll add green cardamom powder. Just 1 teaspoon is good enough. If you have watched till here and enjoyed these recipes, my channel is full of many more beautiful, delicious recipes. Do consider subscribing and watching those videos. I hope to see you in my next video. There are a couple of new projects that I'm doing all around the house, which I'm so excited to share with you. So I'll see you in my next vlog. Until next time, bye bye.